Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be tackling a question many of you have been asking: how to transfer linear Eth from my Bybit to Memefi Wallet. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have a Bybit account, a verified one with linear Eth funds. So if you don't have linear Eth funded in your Bybit, we are going to be running that on this video. Then you also have the Memefi Wallet account, and also get ready with your Memefi Wallet address. So let's go. So we are here on our Bybit account. This is my unified trading account, and you find that I have some USDT and some other tokens. So I don't have linear Eth, so I'll train us how to get linear Eth funded so that we could send it over to our Memefi account. So I click on spots. Ton USDT is trading at 5.388. So I have some ton I want to trade. So click on sell. Selling off the little I have for now on this wallet. So I'm trading on my ton, which is about roughly $3.3. Yes, $3. So we'll sell it off. So we have sold it. So I've sold it to USDT. So now we'll be heading to that icon over there, that ton/USDT. So click on it and search Eth/USDT. So on the first, Eth/USDT. Now we click on it. Now we are going to buy. You see that Eth is trading at $2,433. So we want to buy with that USDT we've got. So we find out that there was a little fee we collected. Instead of $3, it is now down to 2.9 something. So we'll buy. Buying. So click buy. We've got. So now we have gotten Eth. We've gotten Ethereum. So now we have gotten Ethereum. What we have to do is make sure that we transferred the funds, that is the Eth, from that unified trading account to funding before we go to the next. Now we have to go back and get our Memefi wallet address. So I'm using VPN because of the congestion on Memefi, and it's quite difficult to open. So Windscribe has been the VPN I've been using, and it works well for me, so you can check it out yourself. As we continue, I want to chip in something. In as much you're farming airdrops, don't put all your hopes on it. Okay, anything could happen. In fact, the way this airdrops or Telegram airdrops are going, you find that it's very hard to make up to $1,000 because of the massive congestion. But thereby, let's go click on wallet. You can see that I have $1.2 of Eth ready. So we click on Eth, then we click deposit to get our address. So you could see, in fact, they give an example of how to go about it. They say go to a crypto exchange, which we are doing, choose a withdrawal and find the withdrawal option, which we are going to do after collecting this. So let's go. So once you go back to your Bybit, click on withdrawal. It will give you this page. So we are going to paste our address and choose the linear network. Okay, choose linear network. Remember, linear network get collects about 0.4 something dollars for gas fee. So if you are withdrawing 2, it is going to remove about, to give you like 1 point something. We click confirm, then it takes us to say post our code email. We get a code from our email, so click get code. We dive to our email, then you have to make sure that you have done the Google Authenticator. So sometimes if it's your first time, you have to do it. So I've gotten my code. Okay, so it's wrong. Put it again. Okay, it's confirmed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your experience in the comment section and join our community for more.